Well, even as Texas looks for the more rain coming their way, unfortunately, officials here in southeast Louisiana are also getting ready for the effects of Tropical Storm Harvey. We are on the wet side of that storm, which could mean trouble for us.
Yeah, definitely more rain headed this way. This morning, Aaron Miller, the Director of Emergency Preparedness in New Orleans, is joining us by phone with the latest on how they're preparing. Good morning, Aaron, and thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
And where are we right now?
So I think Erica just heard that, and Carl mentioned it a little earlier. You know, the current forecast still indicates that there's a possibility for a significant amount of rainfall in New Orleans through this weekend. You know, it looks like the National Weather Service has predicted that the impacts are a little less than what we previously expected, but being on the wet side and seeing how this storm has moved extremely slowly and sort of sat in place, you know, we want to make sure that we're taking all the precautions and all the preparatory actions that we can.
And, you know, folks are very worried because of the diminished pumping capacity over the past several weeks. Have we cleared that up enough to where we are going to be out of trouble if we get just a normal or a little above normal rainfall?
Yeah, so the Sewage and Water Board staff, as well as its contractors, have been working around the clock, and contractors were able to repair another large drainage pump last week at Pump Station 6, and as well an additional one at Pump Station 11. At this time, we expect that we are able to handle the standard amount of rainfall that we've got. We think we are in a much better place, both with power and pumps, than we have been in quite a while.
All right, so moving forward through this week, what do you want people to be aware of?
You know, the first and foremost and most important thing is take this opportunity to review your emergency plans. And then second is stay informed. Pay attention to your local news stations. We've seen that the weather forecast and weather conditions can change very rapidly. And, you know, the danger with this is heavy rainfall and localized downpours. And so take the opportunity, make sure you receive your weather alerts, make sure that you're monitoring those things. Stay off the roadways if we do get heavy downpours.
And of course, you always tell people to clean out your catch basins and stuff like that. And you guys are working on a big project to clean out a lot of the catch basins.
Yeah, so the Department of Public Works has increased its manpower. 4 vacuum trucks are in service, and since August the 6th, they've cleaned over 1,000 catch basins and over 70,000 linear feet of drain line. They have also put out a bid for an additional $7 million in catch basin cleaning, and they expect to be able to award that sometime this week.
All right, Aaron, thank you very much.
Well, officials say the flooding in Texas is having a big effect on the